students, we are going to discuss about type of material balance. So my previous lecture also I will mention that type of material balance. Two type of material balance are there. One is material balance with chemical reaction, another one material balance without chemical reaction. What is the difference material balance with chemical reaction and without chemical reaction? Material balance with chemical reaction, material balance problem of processes involving chemical reaction. Whereas material balance without chemical reaction, material balance problem of processes involving no chemical reaction. Are you clear? The first we are going to discuss material balance without chemical reaction. No chemical reaction in a material balance problem of processes or the process that do not involve chemical reaction. Outline of a procedure for material balance calculation. First step. Assume a suitable basis of calculation such as quantity or flow rate of the entering or leaving stream. If basis is not specified in the statement of the problem, assume a new convenient basis. Example, quantity or flow rate of a suitable stream of which the composition data is given. This is very important step. Next one, adapt weight unit such as gram or kilogram in case of problems of processes without chemical reaction. Keep in our mind, adapt weight unit such as grams or kilogram in case of problems of processes without chemical reactions. Next step, draw a block diagram of the process wherein each operation is represented by a rectangular block, that is called block diagram, and wherein the input and the output stream are represented by inflow and outflow arrows. In the block diagram drawn, indicate the information provided regarding the input and the output stream given in the problem statement, such as quantity, flow rate, composition, materials, etc. After that, search out the unknown quantities. This is called to find in our problem. Unknown quantities or composition, flow rate, etc. After that, search out the unknowns involved in the problem and ascertain then sum x, y, z, etc. and generate. How will you generate? Depending upon a number of unknowns with the help of data given, the material balance equation in terms of x, y, z, etc. equal to the number of unknowns. Equation can be generated by making the overall material balance and the individual material balance of components involved and solved them. This is very important procedure. These are the outline of a procedure for material balance calculation, especially material balance without chemical reaction. Thank you for your attention.